Hello everybody, welcome to History by Sarvi. And now in this class we are going to solve the question answer of chapter number 3rd, that is locating places on the earth. So let's start from question number A. And now you can see here question number A, that is tick the correct option. तो यहाँ पर correct option पर tick लगानी है. And now the first question is that the equator does not pass through which one of the following continents? And the correct option will be option number A, that is Europe. And next question you can see here, the heat zone laying between 23rd and half degree north and 66 and half degree north is. Now correct option will be C, that is temperate zone. Next one, question number 3rd is that the longest circle drawn midway between two poles is. What will be? The correct option will be option number B, that is prime meridian. Next one, question number 4 is that when the time is 12 noon at 0 degree longitude and the time at 75 degree east longitude will be. The correct option will be option number A, that is 4 p.m. Question number 5 is that which one of the following is a correct statement about longitudes? Now correct option will be option number C, all of them have equal lengths. And now question number B, you can see here fill in the blanks is there. The first question in fill in the blanks, the earth rotates from dash to dash. You have to write here west to east. You have to write here west and here is east. Question number 2 is that all the places on the same meridian will have the answer. You have to write here same, SAME, same local time. Next one, third ka, the distance between the two lines of latitudes is always blank space, and in blank space you have to fill here equal. Number 4, the dash are the imaginary lines that connect north and south poles. You have to write here question number 4 ka blank space longitudes. Question number 5 is that each degree of longitude corresponds to a time difference of dash minutes. You have to write here 4 minutes, means 4 you have to write down. And now question number C is that match the following. You have to match here. तो यहाँ पर 2 equal division of earth, तो 1 का you have to match with C. This one hemispheres. Number 2, latitude are measured in, you have to match with 2D, that is degrees. Number 3, tropic of Cancer. Number 3 you have to match with option number A, this one 23 degree 30 inch north. Next one 4, British Royal Observatory, match with 4 का E, that is Greenwich mean time, Greenwich. And 5 number, the place through which standard meridian of India passes, option is B, that is Mirzapur. Now question number A, B and C completed, and now next we have to complete question number D and E. So let's start from question number D. D1, question number 1 is which two basic points on the earth serve as the reference points? And now answer you can see here, North Pole and South Pole are two basic points on the earth serve as reference points. Question number 2, D2 is mention the latitudinal location of the heat zone of the earth. And now answer of this question is there are 3 heat zones on the earth. First one torrid zone, second one north temperate zone and south temperate zone, and third one frigid zone. तो यहाँ पर torrid zone from 23.5 degree north to 23rd degree and half south. North temperate zone location is from 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, and south temperate zone from 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. If you talk about frigid zone, then 66.5 degree north and south. Question number third is, why does the torrid zone have the maximum temperature? Answer is, in this zone the rays of the sun is exactly overhead once a year, except on the equator where the midday sun is overhead twice a year. Hence it receives maximum heat from the sun and is very hot. Next, question number 4 is that, what is the significance of Greenwich Mean Time? Now answer of this question is, the line of longitude passing through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich, London has been adopted as the prime meridian or 0 degree longitude. Question number 5 is that, why is the standard meridian selected by country a multiple of 7.5 degree? And our answer is that, because 15 degrees of longitude is equivalent to 1 hour in time. It is convenient to adopt time zone at 7.5 degree or 15 degree multiples. Now next one, question number E. E1, state 3 main characteristics of parallels of latitudes. Now answer is, first point, latitudes are horizontal lines. Second, these are imaginary lines. Third one, these lines are shown in degrees. Now question number E2 is that, why do we use standard time? Explain with an example from India. Now answer of this question is that, due to vast longitudinal length of the mainland, standard time is taken. For example, there is a time gap of 2 hours from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. So the standard time for India has been taken from Naini, Allahabad. Now next question number E3 is that, which heat zone is most suitable for us to live and why? Answer of question number 3 is that, temperate zone are most suitable for us to live because these zones are neither very hot nor very cold. Now question number 4 is that, why is the time difference between each meridian of longitude 4 minutes? Explain. Now answer is that, the total number of longitudes is 360, and as we know, the earth takes 24 hours in one rotation. In 1 hour 15 degree is crossed. Thus the time difference between each meridian of longitude is 4 minutes. And the last question of E, that E5, and the question is that, distinguish between equator and prime meridian. And our answer is that, first point, equator is the longest latitude while prime meridian is vertical longitude. Second point, the value of equator is 0 degree and the value of prime meridian is also 0 degree, that is situated in Greenwich, London. And now next one, we have to complete map skill. So you can see here map skill. Question is that, on the outline map of world, show these things. You have to show equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and prime meridian. So let's see from the book. And now you can see here this midline, this is called equator, and next one, Tropic of Cancer. So this line, this is called Tropic of Cancer. Next one, Tropic of Cancer, this line is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Next one, Arctic Circle. So here is, you can see here Arctic Circle, this one, this line is known as Arctic Circle. Antarctic Circle, where is this one? From here to here, Antarctic Circle. And last one is prime meridian. You can see in another figure, this one, the longitudinal line, this line is known as prime meridian. You can see already it is written here. So this is prime meridian. And now all the questions are along with map skill completed of this chapter, chapter number 3rd. You can see the question answer of the other chapters in description box. So all of you have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.